Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Regions Bank credit card payment reminders. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update your Regions Bank credit card payment reminders, begin by opening your web browser. Type in the Regions Bank website address in the search bar. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. Look for the option labeled Payment Reminders. Click on it to access your current reminder settings. Here you will see a list of your existing payment reminders. To edit a reminder, click on the specific reminder you want to update. You can adjust the date, frequency, and notification method. After making your changes, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save button to update your reminder. If you want to add a new payment reminder, look for the Add Reminder button. Fill in the required fields with your new reminder details. Select your preferred notification method for this new reminder. Double-check all entered information to ensure it's correct. Finally, click on Save to establish the new payment reminder. Your updated reminders will now be reflected in your account. You can return to this section at any time to manage your reminders again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.